This video will show you how to use the Smeg Hand Blender and how to connect the attachments. Select the attachment of choice. Align the two fine arrows and twist to secure to the solid arrow. If using the mashing attachment, follow these same steps and use the additional motor supplied. The power level can be adjusted using the tip of the motor for maximum control. Once the power level has been selected, press and hold the power button to activate. Alternatively, the turbo button can be pressed for maximum power instantly. To remove, simply twist to unclick the motor off the attachment head. For information on how to clean the attachments, please see the video linked in the description. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel.